As a customer service organization leader, the amount of data you need to measure, process, and act on is vast. From agent performance to case volume to customer satisfaction, you need an organized system that aggregates data and delivers the actionable insights you need. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service helps you make data-driven decisions with analytics and insights. It's the busy season for the customer service department at a smartwatch retailer. The holidays have just ended, and with thousands of new customers receiving smartwatches as gifts, there is an uptick in new support cases. By reviewing targeted analysis of contact center operations and business-critical data, Customer Service Manager Renee is able to make more informed decisions and improve organizational efficiency with insights that empower data-driven action. Seeing that the upsurge of smartwatch calls has taxed her staff with a larger volume of support calls than usual, Renee quickly optimizes staffing levels and allocates resources based on trending issues and the skills required to address the fluctuation. Once her staffing problem is resolved, Renee wants to better understand how her team is handling this influx of volume. She opens Resolution's insights embedded in her dashboard to see at a glance which topics are using up the most of her agents' time. Renee uses this information to zero in on which agents are her top performers. She then assigns the high-performing individuals to train and support her lowest-performing agents. By working together, the organization is always learning and growing stronger. Continually optimize performance across your organization. Analyze operations and agent interactions to improve customer satisfaction with insights and intelligence using Dynamics 365 Customer Service.